My role in the ink production process is to couple all the print aspects we see to the chemistry. So for instance, when we have a problem with print quality, we try to solve these issues by steering in the ink recipe.
The chemical analysis group supports all stages of ink development, from the early design phase, where we try to understand the interaction between ink components, to the test phase, where we try to understand on a molecular level how the ink interacts with the paper or with materials in the printer. And finally also in the production stage, where we try to support in the scaling up of the ink production.
My role in the process of ink development is to be the link between the researcher and the project, and to work together with the team engineering to move from the development phase into the production phase.
My job in the whole ink development is the final phase of R&D, where we bring the design and the production processes to manufacturing.
Yes, so I started in this company as a researcher, and over time I developed myself into the team leader of the team I was researching in.
I initially joined Canon Production Printing because I was really impressed with the state-of-the-art analysis equipment that they have.
I like to work in my job on complex and difficult technical issues, but also I really like to develop people on a personal level and how we function together as a team.
Also here you get a problem instead of a task. This makes it easy to define the experimental approach yourself, and then you can conduct them yourself.
I love my job because of my colleagues and because of the freedom I have to make my own decision. There's this mentality of laying ownership as low as possible.
The most valuable thing I learned on my job is to have a successful team. You must value for what they can do, and the best motivation you can have is giving real responsibilities to each of them.
In the lab we do various analysis, which can be questions that come directly from R&D or from production, or sometimes a question from a customer. And it's most similar to solving a difficult puzzle. Every day there's a new puzzle.
What makes Canon Production Printing unique is that you as a chemist are able to actually see what you build in the lab. Normally as a chemist, when you work on the lab, you have to look at spectra to see if something succeeded or not. While here in this company you are able to actually look at your own prints to see if your ink succeeded or not.
It's very interesting to work with people that come from different disciplines. What is really nice is that you can continue to grow in your job. You can learn new techniques, you can become a material expert, a specialist in a certain field, so you can always learn new things.
So are you triggered by our story? Please reach out to Canon for an interesting job.
Just do it. We are an awesome company.